Hello everyone, now we're going to talk about unit number 4, early birds and owls here in Workbook part 1. As you can see, we have grammar, combine the sentence using the words in parentheses, and use reduced time clauses. Remember that you use the reduction only if we have the same subject in both clauses, okay? So at this time, I want you to pause the video in this section, alright? So we have here the exercise you need to complete and combine. Remember that you can check it along with me. You can pause this video, this section, and focus on the answers. Okay, so here we have, after classes are over for the day, I often go out with my friends. I often go out with my friends after the classes are over for the day. So you can combine it in different ways. What I want you to do is to check out the collocation of the comma when we start with ever since at the beginning, the time clause, it's divided by a comma. And then we have the next example. I've been late for all ever since my watch. When you collocated the clause on the middle, so the comma is omitted. Then as soon as you start to feel stressed, look, the collocation of this comma is dividing the two clauses. You should relax and count to 10. And now when you collocate it right in the middle, look that it disappears completely. Alright, so then we have the next example. Right before going for a run, there's a comma. I stretch at least 15 minutes, and we can go on and on. So there are many answers for this exercise, the collocations, but we're gonna be focusing on the practice on the book, the lesson that we require to make reductions, and it's possible only we have the same subject. On the other hand, there are ones like ever since, unless, until, etc. that cannot be reduced. Now let's gonna continue to the next exercise. On the next exercise, it says read the statements. Are they true for you? Choose true or false. Then write the false statements to make them true. So in this section, I want you to pick up any of these examples, and then you're gonna try to make it true for you. Maybe some of these facts or these statements are true for you, but maybe others not. So I want you to do them. It doesn't matter if you want to do it anyway, either way that it's true. This is just to practice. Remember that practicing helps you to get this this part of the lesson, this knowledge. Now we're gonna continue, and don't forget, this is one of the activities of the section of the workbook. Okay, the other, it's unnecessary to post it on the chat unless that you want it, no, but it's unnecessary because I display the answers. In the next section, we will look to the vocabulary about sleep and energy. We have burn out, cool down, chill out, doze off, perk up, turn in. And then in this vocabulary, you will see the different contexts, and we're gonna collocate the right word on the right place. Again, you can pause a bit in this section and you will fill it in with these words. So I'm gonna put it, set the screen right here. Then you can check out the words vocabulary, and then I'm gonna scroll it down, and then you can find introduce, add the best answer on the blank, in the blank. Alright, now let's gonna check it together. So right now on the right we have the answers displayed. It's countdown, perk up, burn out, turn in, chill out, doze off. Remember that this vocabulary you can complement it through the Instagram, where we are displaying the vocabulary from each unit, so don't mess it up. And let's continue. We're gonna continue to the next exercise. On this exercise, you are requested to do the same, your own ideas. So I want you to complete in these statements. This 5 is the second activity of the workbook. Use time clauses to complete the sentence so they are true for you. Once again, we're gonna use the time clauses. Remember that we have as soon as, until, whenever, since the moment, from the moment, and also while, right before, and right after, etc. Okay, so we have here the example. As soon as I get from work, I change into some comfortable clothes and make dinner. And then you're gonna complete the next blanks. Remember that I'm gonna be checking your comments. Okay, so if there's something like little wrong, I'm gonna let you know through there. All right. And finally, the last section is about writing. In this section, it says read the paragraph and choose the best topic sentences. In each topic sentences, to general, to specific, or just right. Remember that later we're gonna have our writing videos material. This is just to practice. Remember that writing is an important skill. Right now we are gonna look. This is the effective topic sentence. On the first section we looked to topic sentence. Second section was brainstorming. Third section was the mind map, and this fourth is effective topic sentence. Now you can pause the video in this section and try to look to this chunk of this paragraph, right? So you can try to read it out loud as you prefer, and you're gonna choose the best answer. Okay, so now let's gonna stop the video in this section. And here we classified it now, so is this too specific to write? So the first one says people need energy to get through the day. Then the letter B, just right, is this. Letter B, people's energy patterns change according to time of day. And then this is too specific, everyone's energy peaks around noon. So it says that it's not neither too specific or too general, so there's like on the middle, like just right now. So we can conclude that this is the best answer for each. All right, so for the second it's B, babies sleep more than elderly. That's like it just right. Yeah. Then the next one we have here, and this is again like too specific. So in the US, vitamins are big business. That one is like too specific. Okay, well that's it about this exercise number 5, writing. So we conclude workbook part 1. And any other questions, remember you can post it right here too if there is something that you want to add. I'll be glad to read you. So hope that you have a wonderful day. Take care. See you later. Bye bye.